we are covering a critical test-taking strategy for the AFOQT, never leaving an answer blank. This is arguably one of the most important strategies for maximizing your score, and it's based on a simple fact about how the test is graded. The AFOQT does not penalize you for wrong answers. This means every single question you leave blank is a guaranteed 0 points, whereas every question you guess on has at least some chance of being correct. From a purely mathematical standpoint, a blank answer has an expected value of 0. A random guess on a question with 4 possible answers gives you a 25% chance of getting it right. Over the course of the entire exam, those guessed points can significantly boost your composite scores. Think about the fastest subtests, where time is your biggest enemy. On the table reading subtest, you have about 10.5 seconds per question to find the correct data point. For the block counting subtest, it's even less, at roughly 9 seconds per question. It is extremely easy to get bogged down and waste precious time on a single problem. This is where you must apply a guess and move rule. If you cannot solve a block counting question within that 9-second window, you must immediately fill in an answer and move to the next question. The common exam trap here is perfectionism. Test takers often feel that if they just spend a few more seconds, they'll figure it out. But those few seconds add up, and you end up leaving several questions at the end of the section completely blank, guaranteeing you get 0 points for all of them. A better strategy is to commit to a guessing letter, say C or D, for any question that takes too long. The specific letter doesn't matter in the long run, but the speed of bubbling it in and moving on does. When the proctor announces 1 minute remaining, your priority shifts. Stop solving problems and immediately go through your answer sheet to ensure every single question has a bubble filled in. If you have 10 blank questions, picking one letter and filling it in for all of them is far more efficient than trying to randomly bubble different letters. This ensures you capitalize on the statistical probability of gaining points rather than guaranteeing a loss. The most important mental shortcut to remember is this: a blank is a 0, but a guess is a chance. Never give up the chance to earn a point. Your final score is determined by the number of questions you answer correctly, and a lucky guess counts just as much as a correctly solved problem. For free practice questions, AI-powered explanations, and more exam prep tools, visit openexamprep.com. That's openexamprep, all one word, .com.